Hello everybody out there on the internet. It's time for an unboxing of Battlefront Deluxe with Han Solo mini fridge. I'm going to stab it. Oh, it's a little close with the knife. Oh, sounds like it's a little message for me there. You don't want that. And that's a knife. Oh. There's the game. Deluxe edition. Da-ding! Da-da-da-da! Now, are you mad that I paid extra for deluxe mini fridge? I bet you are. It's got new movie stuff on it. That's funny. Okay. Oh, they make a R2-D2 one too, I guess. Oh, Darth Vader, that looks pretty cool. I like that one. I have to get both. I have a room full of mini fridges. Oh, what? It's a picture! Are you kidding me? It's a picture! Well, oh well. It's a mini fridge, but boy, they make you think that it's like 3D. Like you, oh well, pretty cheap. It's got a charger,